it's time to restock the fridge. So these are the drinks we have to restock with. I think definitely I'm going to do the pina colada and the fruit punch, then the strawberry, and then we'll see what else goes. This is how the fridge is looking, super empty. Okay, let's restock. This is the fridge all stocked. Hopefully it gets cold fast. It's hot. So, or I might just get some ice and break one open. But yeah, it's the fridge all stocked. I hope you had fun. Shop the links in my bio, shop my library, and have fun out there. Bye.